Hi folks, I just got a HP laptop from a client. The T key was not working, so I will be demonstrating how to replace a laptop keyboard. First, when you receive one of these laptops, you need to check the back of it and make sure that you loosen up the screw that have a little keyboard icon. So what I did was pull the battery out first, and I look for these little icon. Don't know if the video can see it, but this little icon at the back of the battery, and pop and loosen them up. That's the first thing. And sometime when you receive one of these laptops, you have to remove the frame to remove the key, but in this case, after you remove the screw, all you need to do is to grab a little screwdriver. I use this one, and go around the keyboard to remove it. So this one was removed earlier, and look out for the ribbon. The ribbon goes right between. The ribbon goes right there. So watch out for this. Do not break it. Just pop them up a little bit, and it will release the ribbon. And then after that, you look on the back of the keyboard. There is a replacement serial number on the back here, or part number you can say, and look that up either in on the eBay website or on your favorite website, Newegg, wherever you like to shop, and get a replacement one. And my replacement keyboard just arrived. But there you go. And I'm going to put that one right back in there. I'm going to put the ribbon right in there and get my screwdriver again with just a little flat hair on it, and just push it back a little bit. Just be a little gentle here. Don't try to break the ribbon or try to break the holder on the ribbon, and you basically screw. Alright, my ribbon is in just fine. I'm going to try to secure the keyboard. And I'm going to close the keyboard for now. What I usually do when I'm working on laptops, I like to grab my screw and just tip it on. If it's just going to be something pretty easy, I just tip it on the back of the laptop and secure my screw to where I need to put it. Otherwise, one of these screws, when you lose it, it's kind of pain looking for the right one. But you will develop your own habit on how to secure your screw. It's a try and error thing. You will find your own way. I always used to put them in some plastic too, like a Ziploc plastic, to secure my screw, and right on the back of the Ziploc plastic. That's a good habit. And if you know what you're doing, you can basically change your keyboard within 5 minutes if you definitely know what you're doing. Alright. Screw is secure. And laptop keyboard still secure in there, and that's perfect. So now let's go ahead and test the keyboard, and that should be the end of it. I'm just going to put the battery back in the back of it, and then we can test the keyboard. And that's the T. The T is typing. Problem with this, that the key was not typing, so now the T is typing and every other key is typing, and that should be it. And that's the end of the video.